Hello everyone, it's Giselle from Kids Yoga Stories, and I'm so excited today to share with you our new classroom yoga in 10 minutes a day. So what we did is we asked our community of almost 100,000 people, teachers, parents, health practitioners from around the world, we asked you, what would you like in terms of adding yoga and mindfulness into your classroom this year, given the children, the main focus on social emotional learning? And what we heard time and time again was that people are looking for quick and easy ideas, just 5-10 minutes, something to anchor the day, to start the day. So we've put together this resource for you. The great thing is it comes in one downloadable PDF. So as soon as you purchase it, you get one PDF. It's really easy to download, to print out. I printed this at a local printer, so it has binding included and it's all color. You can choose whatever. You can do it at home in black and white or in your school, whatever works for you. But there's over 130 pages of yoga and mindfulness activities. So I thought I'd share with you what's actually inside to see if it's a good fit for you. So we start with some tips. This is from tips for using this pack. You'll see that it's broken down into Mindful Mondays, Twisty Tuesdays, Wind Down Wednesdays, Theme Thursdays, and Fun Fridays. These are for 16 different weeks, and each week has each of those from Monday to Friday. And here's some tips. Going through to the next page here. And also we have a where to start. The main thing here is if you miss a day, don't worry. Just pick off where you left off. I chose 16 weeks because when I looked at the school calendar, even though we have about 9 or 10 months, there's lots of holidays that happen. There's going to be some people in quarantine, some people remote learning, some people hybrid. So I thought 16 weeks made a lot of sense in terms of how many resources you would need for the whole year. So it works out to be probably about 2 weeks in each month, and you might want to spread that out Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1 week, Tuesday, Thursday, the next, however you want to use that. It's very flexible. And as I said, we've got 16 weeks and you've got a weekly schedule here. So you'll see all those different topics under Mindful Monday, Twisty Tuesday, Wind Down Wednesday, Theme Thursday, and Fun Friday. So each of the weeks, week 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 weeks of structured activities. This means you can just come to school, or if you're uploading to your platform, school platform, or if you're doing homeschooling or distance learning at home. All of it is already done for you. 16 weeks. So you can see those there. And you also get a weekly schedule. So you can print this out for every week so you can plan and see what it is. You can see what each of those yoga or mindfulness activities are. And there's a little blurb about them. So you can print this out on the weekend before, or if you're planning for the whole year, and you can see what it's all about. And then you'll see daily yoga and mindfulness activities. For example, this is taking a pause breath. This can be done anytime throughout the day, or if you're anchoring it, or if you want to start each morning with the yoga and mindfulness activity, you can do that. It's completely flexible. Do what works for you. So again, I say 10 minutes. This could be literally 1 minute or 2 minutes. You could be explaining more about the breath, about the benefits, whatever, okay? It's meant to be flexible, however structured. So there's Monday, Twisty Tuesday, you've got the card there on the tree. Wind Down Wednesdays, you've got a coloring page, and this may lead to other coloring exercises or other mediums. Theme Thursday, beginner yoga, you've got your pose flow, and then also your instructions on the next page. And then on Fun Fridays, we've got a game to play. So you've got all the instructions on how to play the game as well as your template. So you see, super easy, and then we work on next, the week 2. The main idea here, it's printable. They're printable resources. Nothing will be mailed to your house. You don't have to worry about how long it's going to take to get from the States, wherever you are internationally. It's easily downloadable. You don't have to worry about picking it up somewhere else differently. It's instantly downloadable, a PDF that you can just print right there on the spot. Super easy. And you've got, look at this, 130 pages, all done for you resources. Super easy. So we really hope that helps to easily add yoga and mindfulness to your classroom, especially now during a time when children need this social emotional learning the most. It may be just a breath that they learn, just a yoga pose or a sequence, or maybe just having some calm down time with coloring. You never know what it is that's going to plant the seed for these children to take them into for the rest of their life. Learning these mindfulness activities will help ground them and center them. Thank you so much. Please reach out to us at Giselle at kidsyogastories.com if you have any questions at all. Thank you so much.